The Aprilia RSV4 is one of the most celebrated superbikes in the world, known for its blend of cutting-edge technology, Italian design, and raw racing performance. First introduced in 2009, the RSV4 was built with one goal in mind: to dominate the World Superbike Championship. Its DNA comes directly from Aprilia's racing heritage, making it a machine that feels at home both on the racetrack and on the road. Over the years, the RSV4 has consistently evolved, offering riders the perfect mix of speed, agility, and control. At the heart of the RSV4 lies its 65-degree V4 engine, a configuration that sets it apart from most competitors. This engine not only produces thrilling horsepower but also delivers a distinctive exhaust note that is loved by motorcycle enthusiasts. The latest versions of the RSV4 can generate over 200 horsepower, giving it blistering acceleration and top-end speed. Combined with advanced electronics such as traction control, wheelie control, and multiple riding modes, the bike provides unmatched performance with a high level of safety and adaptability. In terms of design, the RSV4 reflects Aprilia's racing passion. Its sharp aerodynamic bodywork, aggressive stance, and MotoGP-inspired winglets are not just for looks but also for improved stability at high speeds. The ergonomics are finely tuned, giving the rider a commanding yet comfortable position for both track and road riding. The bike is also fitted with high-quality components, including Brembo brakes, Öhlins suspension, and lightweight chassis construction, ensuring precision handling and responsive feedback. What truly makes the Aprilia RSV4 special is its balance between technology and rider connection. While it offers advanced electronic systems to aid the rider, it still provides the raw, visceral thrill of motorcycling that purists crave. For many, it is not just a superbike but a statement of passion and performance. Whether competing on the track or cruising on the open road, the RSV4 stands as one of the finest superbikes ever built, admired by enthusiasts worldwide.